Good morning, student. In the last lecture, we had seen the point statement and exercise 1.1. Today, we will learn the next point, logical connectives. It is a symbol or word used to connect two or more sentences in a grammatically valid way. For example, if we take here, Rohit is a smart or he is healthy. And second example, Rohit is smart and he is healthy. We know that there are two separate sentences. First is Rohit is smart and other sentence is he is healthy. These two sentences are connected by this word and or. So these words are called as connectives, and this whole sentence are called as compound statements. There are four connectives. Look at yours. The words such as and, or, if, then, if and only if can be used to connect two or more simple sentences is called as compound statement, and these connecting words are called as logical connectives. Now look at the chart. Here you have to give on connectives whose symbol is like this, and this is the name of the corresponding compound statement. First connectives and, whose symbol is like this, which is called as conjunction. Second, or, whose symbol is like V, whose name is disjunction. Third, not, whose symbol is like this, negation. Fourth, if then. Here statement P lies between if and then and statement Q after then. So if then is connectives whose symbol is like this, and which is called as conditional or implication. And last, if and only if, which is also written as IFF, whose symbol is like this, and which is called as biconditional or double implication. So today we learn two connectives, conjunction and disjunction. So first, let's see conjunction, whose symbol is like this. If P and Q are two simple statements, there are two statements P, Q, then the compound statement P and Q is called conjunction, and it is denoted by P and Q. Some other words such as but, yet, though, still, moreover are also used instead of and. Only in this type conjunction you can use other words like but, yet, though, still, moreover. Now look at the table of conjunction. Truth table of conjunction. Here you have to given three columns, P, Q and P and Q. This is the symbolic form of conjunction. If you have to given two statements, statement P and Q, now check the possibilities. Either both statements are true, or first true, second false, first false, second true, or both are false. Here you have to give on four possibilities. We don't have any other possibilities than this. Now you have to by heart this table. Now by using this sentence you can by heart this table. What is the sentence? Both statements are true, then their conjunction is true, otherwise false. Statement P and statement Q both are true, then their conjunction true, otherwise false. By using this single sentence you can by heart this table. Now see the example. Here you have to ask two type of questions in the example. First, write the following statement in symbolic form, and another, write the truth value of the following statements. Now look at the first example. Write the following statement in symbolic form. So first example, Jupiter is a planet and Mars is a star. Now look at this example. There are two different statements. First is Jupiter is planet, another is Mars is star. These two statements are connected by word and. That means this is example of conjunction. Here we have to write only symbolic form. So we don't need here its truth value. So first we separate these statements. So let statement P, Jupiter is a planet. Statement Q, Mars is a star. Now the symbolic form is here you have to give on two statements and its connectives is and. So symbolic form is P and Q. Here we have to write only symbolic form. So this is your answer. Now the next question. Write the truth value of the following statement. So see the example. A quadratic equation has two distinct roots but 3 is the smallest prime number. So first we separate these two statements. So statement P, a quadratic equation has two distinct roots statement Q, 3 is smallest prime number. First we write here the symbolic form. So the symbolic form is P and Q. Now the truth value. So the truth value is P and Q. Now check here. First statement P, a quadratic equation has two distinct roots. So we know that every quadratic equation has two distinct roots. Therefore this statement is true. Second, 3 is the smallest prime number. We know that this is false statement because 3 is not smallest prime number. 2 is smallest prime number. So first statement is true. Second statement is false. So we write here true and false. Now we check this condition in our table. So look at here. First statement is true, second is false, so our final answer is false. So we write here final answer is false. So similar question you have to given in exercise 1.2, you should solve it. Now look at the second point. Second connectives, disjunction. Similar to the conjunction. Look at the definition. If P, Q are two simple statements, then the compound statement P or Q is called disjunction and it is denoted by like this, P or Q. Look at the table. So column of P and column of Q are same. Last column P or Q. Here both are false, then it is false, otherwise true. You have to by heart this table by using this sentence. If both statements are false, then their disjunction is false, otherwise true. Both are false, then it is false, otherwise true. Now look at the examples. Here also you have to ask two type of questions. First, express the following statement in symbolic form, and second, write the truth value of the following statement. So express the following statement in symbolic form. First example, 4 plus 5 equal to 7 or 9 minus 2 equal to 5. So there are two statements which is connected by word or. So this is the example of disjunction. So first we separate these two statements. Statement P, 4 plus 5 equal to 7. Statement Q, 9 minus 2 equal to 5. So we have to write here the symbolic form. So the symbolic form is P or Q. Here connectives is or. So symbolic form of or is like this, P or Q. Now the second question, write the truth value of the following statement. Root 5 is an irrational number, or a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b, for all ab belongs to R. So first we separate here these two statements. Statement P, root 5 is an irrational number, and second statement Q, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b, for all ab belongs to R. So the symbolic form